In this video I have a Samsung Galaxy S7. As you can see, it appears to be charging, but this device is not turning on whatsoever. We also have an issue with the charging port. This is as to why we are using this wireless charger. But I can see that the phone is charging because my meter is telling me. So when I look, I can see that I am getting 5 volts, 0.23 amps. So I know that the device is charging, but it's not turning on. First, you want to remove the SIM tray. So guys, what I'm going to do, I am going to reflow these two chip. Actually, if we had a short circuit, the phone would not have charged if we have a short circuit or something. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to reflow those two chip. They're very small, but we're going to do so. This one and also this one. So guys, what I'm going to do, we're going to reflow those two chip. I'm going to use some no clean flux. So we're going to just reflow the chip. both of them. So guys, that should be it. We just reflowed the 2 chip there, and we're gonna wait for the board to cool down and then we're going to try. So guys, let's us go and add back the covering over the area. We are just going to connect this piece and we're going to try and charge this wirelessly. Alright, so what I'm going to do, I'm just going to put in these screws just to hold this in place. Just plugged in the wireless charger and let's try. I should be seeing a red light. So that's it. So let's try and see if it is coming on. So guys, we see that the phone lights up and it is charging there now, but we were not getting anything. We were not seeing anything on the screen. We had left this phone to charge for a few hours and we got nothing, but after heating up those chips, we are seeing on the screen.